Automobility store has teamed up with Morrie's Mobility Finance to offer the best financing solutions for our customers. Morrie's specifically focuses on wheelchair vans, so they truly understand the customized nature of the van and how to make decisions to get you approved at the most competitive rates available. Traditional finance institutions have a difficult time securing financing for mobility vehicles simply because they do not understand the cost and value of these conversions. Many wheelchair vehicle owners have to put in the work of educating their financial institution and provide large amounts of paperwork in order to show that value. And if they are approved, they receive unfairly high interest rates. With Morrie's Mobility Finance, they take a different approach. To apply for financing for a wheelchair conversion van, call Automobility Store today and receive a quick approval response at 1-800-431-3183.